welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivian, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. So today I'm going to be doing a wig install. It's really the first time I'm doing a video like this about wigs. This is human hair, and this is my first time trying human hair. I'm usually used to buying synthetic wigs, that's the honest truth, but this is my first human hair. So I really invested in this wig because I was really done buying synthetic wigs. And this is how the wig looks like. It really comes pre-plucked and everything. The wig comes pre-plucked, and this is the actual texture of it. Very smooth. So let's go ahead and install this wig. So firstly, I go in with a concealer. You can use concealer or foundation. I prefer using the concealer. This is to tint up the lace to match my skin tone, and this is quite a quick process, but it might be harder for someone else. I then go in with the Got2b glue to lay down my edges. I think laying down your edges is very important while you are doing a wig install, because it helps you protect your baby hairs from not breaking up. I then go in with a wig cap on my head. I use 2 wig caps because 1 wig cap cannot do it for me. That's because my natural hair is very thick. So I go in with a black wig cap first of all, just to put down the hair a little bit, and then later on I go in with a browner wig cap, as you guys are going to watch in the video. I then go in with the Got2b glue to stick the wig cap onto my head. I'm going for the bold cap method. This is quite easy and it helps the wigs lay better. I feel like the glue is stuck, I then go in and cut off the excess cap. This is to match my hairline and where I would want my hairline of the wig to start from. That's where I cut the cap. I'm very careful in this process because it's quite technical and you do not want to cut off the hair cap that has not been glued on. To be honest, I wouldn't recommend this glue. It's quite cheap and tacky. It doesn't stick properly. I will do an updated video, but I go in with Got2b glue and I stick the excess cap onto my head and start applying the glue onto my forehead and where I would generally want my wig to start from. Apply more concealer onto the wig cap. This is to make sure it kind of matches my skin tone, and it's not necessary, it's not required if the cap is brown, but I just want to make sure the cap is matching onto my skin tone as I'm letting the wig glue to dry off. Once the wig is clear, the wig glue is clear, I then figure out a way on how I'm going to place this. I clean off the excess products off my forehead. This is to make sure that glue properly dries off the other layer I'm going to put onto my face. Cut my lace in 4 sections. This is majorly to help me lay the lace better. This is quite hard because you actually do not want to cut your lace badly, so this is what I do. I then start applying my glue section by section, which is much easier for me than applying it all at once. Then going with my got-to-be glue, this is to give it an extra hold for the lace to stick much better. I then tie my elastic band tight onto my head. This is to enable a better melt of the lace onto my skin. This is like my favorite part, going in with the hot comb. This is majorly to straighten the hair and to like straighten flyovers. Then going with the wax stick. This wax stick is majorly to help while straightening this wig, and using your hot comb. This generally prevents any flyovers that might be happening while you are trying to straighten your hair.
My own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest.
Because this wig did not come with a part, I usually use the wax stick to create a part and my hot comb to majorly define the part on where and how I would want my part to go. I was going more for a side part type of thing, so I definitely went in with my side part.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose.
I then took off my headband and if you see this time I was happy with my results. Do you see that the wig has melted? Do you see that melt? I was happy with the results because I'm a first time wig installer. This is my first time installing a wig, and you know, I was happy with these results, you know.
Every day, late at night.
To cut off the extra lace, I went in with this facial blade. It's usually used to shave feathers, but it helps me cut my laces much better. And I'll link everything down below, guys, that I have used in this video. But I go in slowly. I leave extra lace. This is much better while you are creating baby hairs. Do not cut off all your laces. So yeah. At this point I looked like a ghost, but you know what, I had this handled. I go in with my rat tail comb and extra got-to-be glue gel to just stick over the lace that has tried to come off while I was cutting off the excess lace. I laid it down later with an hairband. Once I took it off, I started trying to cut off the baby hairs just to measure where my baby hairs and how I wanted my baby hairs to move or stop. This is quite a tricky part for me because I'm really not good at baby hairs at all. So this is the mousse I use to lay my edges, and to be honest guys, I really loved how the edges turned out and how the wig turned out in general. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I highly appreciate if you have come all the way to the end of the video. That's all I had. I'll link every product I use down below, and watch my other videos. And I honestly like how this hair has turned out. This hair is human hair. I really love it. This is my first time trying human. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This hair is going to be linked down below if you would want to purchase it. This is 20 inches. I think that's what I purchased, 20 inches. And yeah, this video is not sponsored by this hair, and catch up with you guys in my next video. So bye.